Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about what is BlueSky in social media. So right here, BlueSky is basically just another version of Twitter but owned by a different company, and it's not Twitter. It's just like Twitter. So here, as you can see, BlueSky is a social media as it should be. That's their tagline right here. So it's just similar to Instagram and your Twitter at a sense, but it's just another platform. So it's just like another Facebook, another Instagram, another Tumblr, another Reddit. So it's similar to that. So this is what their company is bringing. So what next is being built right here is their bright future in here. So it's an open network, easy to use social networking platform with shared identity across the internet, of course. You can just actually do posts similar to your Twitter and many much more. You can like and share, repost. So as you can see right here, it's really simple. You can also comment if you want to. You'll have your own unique nickname right here with your tag, of course. And it's just that simple. And they're also open, and that's what they're promoting here. It's open source where you can actually try to allow to feed other apps into this, and you can get custom feeds and many much more. So as you can see right here, BlueSky provides or proves that it's computationally possible to solve the problems of Twitter like social networking in a distributed fashion. But I think um, Twitter, or formerly Twitter, known now as X, is doing exceptionally well, and they might actually outcompete any type of social media platform since it's number one almost everywhere in the world. So this might come to an end soon, but yeah, as you can see, they even have their own X account, which is really funny. So that's their rival. So there you go, guys. It's just basically another blog site, basically, or a blog sharing platform where you can share your thoughts and many more. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.